What if tomorrow Modi ji pressurizes RBI to print as much money as he wants because elections are due? Governments would want to win elections. That's what they care for. What if Shivraj Singh Chauhan goes on to become Prime Minister of India? In MP, he waives off loans regularly. Waiving loans, what incentives does it provide to others who pay their loans on time? Why should they pay? Because elections will come in every 5 years, he will waive off the loans.
3,000 कर दूंगा.
Free electricity, free water, free ration, free laptops, free bicycles. Because politicians do not care about your country. Majority of them care about winning the next elections. That's the true reality. I've experienced both in theory and practice across the governments, not just in India. They don't give a damn about creating jobs, building infrastructure. Whenever I'm in Gwalior, there will be 5-6 hours of power cuts. Despite paying all the taxes, there are hardly roads. From Gwalior, go to Bhind, Morena, Datia, nearby areas, tier 3, tier 4 cities. Terrible, shabby roads. But still these politicians care about Ladli Behna Yojana and other such nonsense yojanas. But no one will talk about supply side bottlenecks because it takes time to fix those bottlenecks. If you fix those bottlenecks, no need for yojanas. Fix electricity, look at your labor policy, focus on infrastructure, bring industries, make it easier to file taxes. Many times GST website is down. People who want to pay taxes can't do it. Website is down. Because politicians know one thing very well. Give a man a fish, you feed him for a day. But give a man someone else's fish, he will vote for you. And these politicians know that that is good politics. But is this politics good economics? Debatable. So it is of extreme importance, even in our own benefit, that RBI should be independent. RBI should be independent from day-to-day operations of the government. And in a country like India, many measures have been taken to ensure that independence. We will discuss those features in polity. Because RBI generally takes decisions in the long-term interest of the country's economic growth. Politicians take decisions in the short-term interest of their own economy, their own businesses. Borrowing directly from RBI can compromise its independence. And that is why in banana republics, usually you see this trend. Not in India, at least for the history that we have lived in. So anyway, moving on to the balance of payment. Now I think some of you, and I hope all of you, have some clarity on what is balance of payment.